Hi, I'm Chris Mangless from ThreeThreeFive in Green Bay, Wisconsin, and I'm going to show you my favorite blended burger using Nueske's Applewood smoked bacon. We're going to start with some raw portobello mushrooms, a little bit of unsalted butter, in with the mushrooms. Now that our mushrooms are starting to get some color, we're going to go ahead and add our diced jalapeno peppers and our minced shallot. We'll allow these to cook until golden brown. Right at the end of roasting the mushrooms, we're going to add a little bit of sea salt. We don't want to add the salt ahead of time because it'll draw out too much moisture from the mushrooms, not allowing us to get that nice golden brown color. Our mushrooms are all finished, nice and golden brown. Shallots are sweat, peppers are nice and roasted. We're going to go ahead and put this in a bowl here. We're going to transfer it to our refrigerator and let it chill for 20 to 30 minutes. Now it's time to build our patty. We have our Applewood smoked bacon. We're going to give it a fine dice. This bacon's going to add a nice richness, a nice amount of fat to that burger, which will help add the smoky flavor. A little bit of salt to the mix as well. And once it's cooked up on the saute, it's going to be beautiful. We'll take our beef patty here, add some of the Nueske's Applewood bacon. Next, our roasted mushrooms, which have been chilled with the jalapeno peppers and the roasted shallots. Take a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. It's going to add some richness, and then this is kind of a unique ingredient, but it's a mushroom soy. It'll add a great sort of saltiness to the beef, umami flavors, and really bring out all those smoky flavors of the mushrooms and the Applewood bacon. From there, we're going to go ahead and mix this up and form our patty. So now we got our patty formed. You can see the wonderful bacon, the roasted mushrooms, jalapenos. We're gonna go straight into the pan. No fat necessary here. I'm using a non-stick. You can use a regular pan as well. But the fat from the burgers mixed with the bacon is gonna be all the oil you need. We're gonna saute it, get it nice and golden brown on that first side. We'll flip it over and it'll cook right through. I prefer a perfect medium rare, but you can take it to a doneness of your liking. The great thing about this burger blend, you can garnish it however you like. You have all the flavor you need to make your guest happy right there in that patty. I think we're getting nice and crispy on this side, so we're gonna go ahead, take a look. Beautiful. Great caramelization. We're gonna let it cook through on the other side and we'll be ready to go. So my favorite way to do these burgers, a beautiful brioche bun, a little bit of lettuce, and these amazing seasonal tomatoes. So we'll begin to get this ready. We got this beautiful mustard greens here, but any sort of lettuce, iceberg if you like it, romaine, arugula, whatever you prefer. Now that our burger's cooked to medium rare, caramelized well on both sides, I'm gonna take it to the board just for a minute. We like to let our meat rest for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Any juices that come out there, we don't want the soggy bun. Now that our beef has rested, we're ready to transfer it to the brioche. Beautiful yellow tomatoes. A little bit of this mustard green. Top it off with our brioche. We've got this beautiful blend of burger meat mixed with the Nueske's Applewood smoked bacon, a little bit of jalapeno roasted shallot, some heirloom tomato, a little bit of lettuce, brioche. I don't know about you, but this is a perfect burger for me.